a trip with me to the Sydney 2026 Motorculture Carmeet at Sydney Olympic Park. The Motorculture meet was such a cool meet, unlike any I've been to before. There was a great mix of cars from like JDM, Euro, even a spec Mustang and a couple of bikes. The event was an early start as it was first comes first serve style, so the later showed up, the less chance you'd have at displaying your car. I decided to be cruel, wake my mate up at like 5 AM to get there in time. Once we got there, the weather decided to clear up and the other entrants and spectators started arriving. The Red Bull DJ started playing some awesome tracks and the sweet smell of the food trucks filled the air along with the sweet rotary pre-mixed smell. Some of the standout cars to me was the Affinity RX-7, the Mainz Nissan R32 GTR, the spec Mustang and the Audi RS3 wagons that looked so menacing. Favourite car of the day was the silver Affinity RX-7, which you'll see in this video. Such a clean, well-maintained car, wasn't overly modified and showed off the RX-7's beauty. This is a car I'd absolutely love to own one day. At the end of the meet, the spectators formed a tunnel for the entrance to drive through as we exited. It was a cool experience and felt like a scene like out of Tokyo Drift, the Shibuya scene. Anyway, I'll be quiet now, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. Stick around to the end for a pull in the GR Yaris and thanks for watching.
I'm kind of glad I didn't drive in my car. A little bit of fun.
Just a little bit. I hate that turbo run.
Yeah.
I'd be revving it a lot more.
Yeah. I don't know with mine if I was doing this clutch on and off, you'd be hearing on my one. Well, they probably that's probably why they arrived too late.
I think we know why they're not at the meet.
Yeah. Forgot about that little incident. Rental. I don't think so. I don't think that's a rental.